Okay, ma. Only few
Sir, your
topics are
screen is
left.
not getting presented, sir.
What?
Your screen is not visible.
Voice is not clear.
Your
Screen.
screen is not visible, sir.
Screen.
Yes, sir.
No, I didn't share yet.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sir, we have to start with the yesterday's document, sir, from the last where we have been discussing, right?
Interview document, right?
That was not interview document, sir. That IT
Interview
service, sir.
questions. Interview
IT service.
questions.
IT service last portion some was left out. From there we have to start.
What?
IT service last concept onwards, sir.
I'm not understanding. If I remember my memory is right, then we are doing like
IT service last concept we have to start, sir.
not IT service.
No,
This
sir.
is
I remember that we have to start from IT service last point. There are some points left out in IT service. Just open that, you can get an idea.
no, no. I don't think so.
No, sir. I'm exactly complete.
Okay, okay. Wait. Where is IT? Okay, which document? This document.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. No, this document is completed.
No, sir. We are still left with last portion of that. From there we had continued, and we have to record because it was not recorded, and it should be useful for other batches.
No, whether record, not record, second issue. This I completed. I
No,
remember.
sir. No, sir.
This is the
Last
last.
point. This one you haven't
How did
completed.
you handle irate customer? I
Yeah,
explained
from the
this.
you explain, sir, but I'm saying that for the future, I should share all
No,
these classes with them as well if they have asked.
yeah,
So
yeah,
it should be
not a
half of.
problem. But I cannot replicate the same thing again and again. I'll get bored. This is
No,
completed, so I'm not
no, just for
touching it.
one moment, just try to give a overview of it and just move on from there, sir.
No,
Because
no more overview. No, no, Pradeep. Don't take it in a negative way. Which one I need to start? This one. I rate a customer.
yes, sir.
Okay, for you I am teaching. If it is another person, then I wouldn't have been, because I'll get irritated, right? See, whenever I rate customer in the sense means they will be angry customer because he has multiple times same issue is hitting, so he is getting very angry. At that time he will go in a very angry mode and talk. At that time what we need to do is we need to remain calm and empathetic while actively listening customer concern. I assure them I understand their frustration. Okay, I show my dedication to resolve the issue. Then I'll follow established protocol. Protocol. What is wrong in it? Why replying
It is
protocol?
COL, sir, not CAL.
Huh?
It's COL, sir, not CAL.
COL, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are right. Protocol. After solution, work towards the positive resolution. This is completed. We went again second document also. Technical
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 support in
questions.
no technical support engineer. In that few points were discussed. Support engineer.
Support engineer in this document.
Support down.
Down this.
Still down, sir. Last but one. That.
Technical. No, no, no. Those are not required. I told whatever I told, those are sufficient. I told the remaining topics are not required. You don't go
Yeah,
in depth.
that wasn't
Those are not
the.
required, Pradeep.
Remaining can be left, sir. The one which you told till there, just reciprocate that so that it will be having
Yeah,
some.
I reciprocated the what are the important things in it. I completed this. I came to this also. I remembered that.
Yes, sir. But see, sir, these classes you have any other batch, right? They won't tend to miss all these things, right?
No, you forget about the other batches. You focus only on this batch. Okay. I came to this document. I remember. Please
Yeah, there were only two
don't
points
drag me into
to
that.
discuss in that. So I
What?
just thought. Yeah, there were only 2 points in support engineer technical
No,
documents.
only
So
few more topics we need to discuss. Remaining are not relevant to this. So that's why I left it. I came to this interview questions. Here also I discussed a few questions.
yeah,
I
yes, sir,
got
I do
stuck to
remember,
where
but
VPN.
just
VPN question I got stuck. Again you are dragging me to back unnecessarily. So please bear I have my memory ma. Believe in me. Okay?
no, sir,
I
it's
know I
not about
remember.
number. I'm just asking you to repeat again because it will really helpful for other guys. That's it, nothing
No,
else.
you forget about other batch. They will take care of themselves. You
Okay,
only
because
concentrate on this batch.
later part you will tell me to say those classes and they will not understand, sir. That I as I do, they won't get the
No,
thing.
for every batch I'll tell live, not recorded classes. I won't share these recorded classes for only for your sake and your batch sake. If you do not people any understand or if you do not follow or if you miss by chance, then you need to revise. For each and every batch freshly I will give live lectures. So you don't worry. Okay, I remember. Please don't
Again, for this
no
batch
more
also it
arguments
is
on this.
no, sir.
You
For
are
this batch
wasting
also
time.
it will not be useful, right,
Ma,
sir?
you are
That's why.
wasting my valuable time. Please don't do that. Don't repeat, Pradeep. I have so much respect on you. I came to this document. I know I remember this document.
Yes, sir. I'm agreeing that you are on the document in the fifth question, sir. I agree that, but no, even we don't have for reference, right? That's the reason I'm asking you to repeat once. We don't have that document
What thing we need to repeat in this? Which one I need to repeat in this?
like from the beginning, sir. Like hardware, what does it mean? Like
Ma, this Nanal I explained. Ma, again you are requesting the same topic again. How many times I should teach, ma?
this is
You
this
tell
is
me.
second this is second time, sir. Actually,
Okay, ma. Technical support in this most of the question, most of the topics we will quit. Okay, but few will remember. See in profile what you will put is technical support engineer L1, troubleshooting hardware and network OS related queries of our global customers. In global customers also most of the times we will resolve the issues of US and UK clients over the phone, which involves working different time zones. Take calls from global customers and initiate the right response to them positively and professionally. Provide remote solutions to problems, probe problems and explain the solution in such a way that non-technical users understand. Willing to work in night shift, excellent written, and you need to say this. Ma, willing to work in night shifts also. You need to say this top time anytime.
sir,
They
when
will
it comes
ask you
to
also in
networking,
person. Hmm?
it is internet networking or other one.
What?
Troubleshooting hardware and networking is like hardware is like a microphone or uh, kind of power issues.
Microphone, hard disk, motherboard, keyboard, network problem, okay, networking problem, or else
Networking,
blue screen update,
internet, sir.
activation. These are all the issues. Ma. I told you 13 scenarios. I told you. Those only you have to focus on.
Networking also same thing, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Wi-Fi related.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Printer
See, ma,
related comes under hardware or
what?
printer related issues. Sir.
What?
Printer related issues. Sir.
Printer is also some kind of hardware only, right? Network printer. In the LAN, only one printer will be there, 10 systems will be there. You will put a printer in a server, you will access 10 systems as clients. Anyone from anyone's system can be taken print out. Okay?
Okay. So it is only for printers that we do networking.
Yeah,
Okay.
most of the time. Responsibilities. Answer contacts promptly and professionally. Promptly means immediately. Okay, contacts means these users are employees, their issues. Professionally, we need to use professional language. Okay, we shouldn't use layman language. Log or validate all contacts call handling database. Okay, we need to validate check. Okay, all contacts means employees call handling databases. We need to check, which means whether which one is resolved or not. Like that, check mark will be there. Resolve a high percentage of customer problems during the wait more 1 minute. Manage end-to-end call log. End-to-end means from the beginning to the ending. Okay, providing regular updates. Regular updates means, for example, uh, if if they has if a customer or employee doesn't get served resolved from ourselves, we need to escalate it to L2. Again, it is our duty to regularly we need to update him. Still, we need to find out him whether this one is working or not. Okay, that he is working or not. Complete follow-on actions as appropriate. Invoke escalation procedures. These are all you need not to worry ma. Remaining points you forget
Sir,
ma.
how to log or validate the contact?
Validate means you need to check whether it is completed or not. That's it.
And how about
You
that?
don't go see ma. Whatever I told you go through ma. Remaining work I have given that you don't go through. I know how to give information. Okay. Next interview questions.
No, no, tools also
This
they'll ask,
operating
right, sir?
system
Which
completed ma.
tools you have used for logging or validating or something they might
Ma,
ask you.
I will give you weight, ma. Now only without I am completing, you are asking in the middle of the question in the entire thing 100%. I need to teach you from 0 to 100%, but you are asking at 30% only. You are asking all the questions. That I later, if I do not tell you in the end of the day, then you should ask. Still, the portion is there. I know where to teach what. Wait, wait. Those documents are there. Wait. You are irritating me today. I don't know what happened to you. You never behaved like this earlier. See, I'll explain, ma. That also you are asking now only. Let me explain what is networking, ma. You know any disk, na, ma. Pradeep,
Yes, sir.
download any disk right now. I told these two again. I'll tell. What is operating system? Operating system is a program that after being initially loaded into computer by boot program is the first program. It is there on the hardware on the motherboard. From there it will boot up process will start. That will negotiate it to RAM. After that it will go into hard disk. From the hard disk operating system it will bring that maximum portion to RAM. Okay, and it will execute next all the applications. Ma, what is the latest OS ma? Windows 11. What does ma? Pradeep, download any disk ma. Free of cost. I'll show once networking. What is DHCP stands for and what is its purpose? Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It assigns dynamic IP address to the network devices, allowing them to have different IP addresses each time they are reconnected to the network. Anytime they are reconnected to the network, okay, IP system assigns the maximum portion. Okay, IP system will create the IP address for each host. What is networking? You download at the end of the discussion. I will tell. Networking. Networking, also known as computer networking, is the practice of transporting and exchanging data between nodes over a shared medium in an information system. What are four types of networking? Below are the personal area network means only it is related to one person. Local area network related to one building. Maybe 10 computers or 100 computers, one server will be there. Metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area means one big city like Hyderabad or Bangalore. Okay. WAN means one country, wide area network. Internet means it is worldwide. What is VPN? Virtual private network. Virtual private network is a mechanism for creating secure between computer device and computer network or between two networks using an insecure communication medium such as public internet. Okay. What
VPN
is
is
art?
secured, right?
Huh?
VPN is secured, right? It is private, right?
Which one?
VPN.
VPN is secured. Our public network is unsecured. Insecure.
Okay. Even the internet which we use is unsecured, so we use VPN.
Internet anyone can tap, right? Anyone can do phishing. Anyone can do tap. Anyone can do. But VPN it is not like that. It is, see, you downloaded. Did you downloaded any disk, Pradeep?
I think it's already there, sir. Once. Mm.
Okay, wait. Tell me your ID.
1 minute. 181402641.
Tell me, ma.
181
181
402
402
641.
41. You are telling less number
641,
of
sir.
digits.
641. 641.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, it went again. Tell me.
181
181.
402
Huh?
402
402
641.
641. Accept the request. You got it.
Got it.
See, can you see my screen?
Mute from your end, Pradeep. It's getting resound.
Okay, okay. What is RJ11 cable? Why remove? Terminated. You close it.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Ma,
Yes, sir.
RJ11 cable, we will use it for analog telephony, ma. Okay. RJ45 cable, we will use for Ethernet, ma. You remember these two. Okay.
You mean for
What is
telephones we use that one, sir?
yes, sir. RJ11 cable.
Landlines.
Yeah. RJ45 means Ethernet cable. What does DNS stands for? Domain name server. It translates domain names into IP addresses and vice versa. IP addresses into domain names, ma.
You mean domain name, sir? Means
Domain name server in the sense it translates domain names. Domain names means web names. Okay, google.com is one of the domain name. Okay, HTTPS www HTTPS colon www dot google.com. That google.com is domain name. Okay, it will internally convert that into IP address. It will connect that into one address, one digit. Computers will understand numbers only, right? They cannot understand letters. So it will transform that into numbers. List 5 Microsoft Office applications. MS Word,
but
MS
still we
Excel.
got some new IP address like FVA405, which 5 digits and 5 in length, right?
Huh?
We have seen one IP address FEA46 like double colon and the 5 digits
That is
one
IPv6, ma. IPv6.
advanced version, right?
That is sixth generation IP, Internet
Yeah,
Protocol
in
version 6.
IP address will be having different types like IPv6, IPv4 in
Hmm.
that manner.
Yes, yes, ma.
Generally, as I said, it will be only in digits. So I was asking about that alphabetic IP.
No, ma. See, ma. List 5 Microsoft Office applications. One is Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Outlook. What are some versions of Windows XP? This no one will ask, ma. For your own sake, you remember this. XP Professional, XP Home, Media Center, Tablet PC and Mobile. What purpose the boot.ini? Boot.ini used to decide which operating system options are displayed during the startup process. Ma, if you have multiple operating systems, ma, which operating system should work will be decided by that boot process, boot ini process. Okay, in a virtual machine, you can have n number of operating systems. Mostly n number of theoretically, but mostly two or three systems. If you do four systems, also most of the times it will be crushing. It will crush. Okay. those base files will crush each other, and it will go into errors. So mostly we will use as of now three systems, ma. That's it. Not n system theoretically. That boot INA process will decide which operating system to turn on from virtual VMware. Identify few firewalls. There are few basic types of firewalls. Network layer, which make the decisions based on the source and destination addresses, and application layer, which are the forced to run proxy servers, allow no direct traffic between networks. Komodo and Zone Alarm are two commonly used firewalls. These are the firewalls commonly used. This will give basic, very basic and cheapest rates. These will be there. Avast, okay, and are very costly. What is difference between RAM and ROM? Very important question, ma. RAM is like temporary memory. This is called volatile memory. You should not use temporary memory. You should use the word volatile memory. Okay. ROM is permanent memory. Once you store it, it will be there as long as we erase it till there. The RAM is a temporary storage type of memory as data lasts only when the time power supply is on. If power supply goes, it will go. That is called volatile memory. On the contrary, ROM is permanent memory that retains the data after longer duration. Until we erase it, we can erase the ROM data also. RAM offers memory capacity in GB usually 1 to 256 GB as per the chip. On the contrary, RAM permits the storage capacity in MB. This will be in the order of MB only, usually in the range of 4 to 8 MB. This will be in the range of 1 to 256 GB. The operating speed of RAM is faster than ROM. Okay.
Sir, is Word document ROM or RAM?
What?
Word document.
Word document.
Ah,
What is meant by that?
Word Microsoft Word document, sir.
Now, what is Microsoft Word document to do with RAM and ROM?
Like as you are speaking, permanent, temporary. So
Yeah, any memory. See, if this document is there, okay, this document is residing on RAM. When power goes off, then it will be disappear. This will go on a hard disk again. This RAM is different. Okay, ROM is different. Those ROM, we will write POST program, power on self test. Okay, power on diagnostic center, that is called diagnostic center. If anyone is not working properly or damaged, then it will give beep sound, key like that it will give.
that is ROM problem, sir.
Yeah, yeah. The operating speed of RAM is faster than ROM. Okay. Random access memory is volatile, I told you already, volatile in nature, but read only memory is non-volatile. ROM is non-volatile. RAM is classified as the primary memory of the system. However, ROM is categorized as the secondary memory system. Okay.
I mean, hard
These
disk is
points are
ROM, right,
not
sir?
required. Okay, you go through once. What is the one of the latest computer CPU? Okay, Intel. You need to tell Intel ones only. There are so many process systems are there, but you need to tell Intel systems only. Most of the time, these people will take only Intel systems. Intel Pentium quad core. Quad core means what? Four cores will be there on the same CPU. Intel i3, i5, i7 processors. You remember only these things. i7 still i7 also came nowadays. i9 is in research. Okay. Define hard disk partitions. Hard disk partition divide the hard disk drive into smaller segments to enable better space management. Each portion on the disk can then be considered as separate disk, allowing them to different file systems to be used on each. Okay, if audio system.
IIT is also a research hostel.
Okay, okay, we will do one thing. We will join at 1:30, sharp 1:30. Be ready, ma. 1:30. You call to Shravani also. Be ready. I have some work.
Okay.
Bye. Have a great day.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
You go through these documents, ma. Pradeep,
Sure,
help
sir.
her to become like you. Okay?
Sir, once can you share that edited IT service document in WhatsApp, sir?
Okay, okay. Now only I'll share.
Yeah, once do that.
Okay, okay.
The one which is edited, sir, not the old.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Edited one only I'll share.
Yeah, previously I just got the same old one. So
Okay, I'll share now. Okay, bye.
okay.
Bye, sir.